Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your AfterShokz Titanium. And to do this, first we'll need to start with the headphones being powered off, then hold the plus button for at least 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. You can see that we're in a pairing mode by looking at the LED lamp. It flashes between the blue and the red light. Now hold the plus button, minus button and multifunctional button at the same time for also 5 seconds until your headphone starts vibrating and makes the beeping sound. When it's done, you can power off your headphones by pressing the plus button and holding it for a few seconds until all flashlights, all LED lamps are turned off. And next time you power it on, factory reset is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.